It's coffee time.
I don't drink coffee.
All right, welcome back. Today is gonna be an easy one, just a quick one. I'm gonna clean and lubricate the chain on my bike. It's still kind of faulty starting. It clunks really bad every time I start it. This morning I tried to start it and it sounded like it grenaded. So who knows, I got something going on in there. I'll probably never figure it out. I'll probably just keep breaking it. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here and drink some coffee and think about it. Yeah, let's get to cleaning. I'm gonna try this in a different way than just trying to do all my shit and film it at the same time. I'm gonna try to talk while I'm doing this. It's gonna be pretty hectic because I can't pay attention to two things at once.
Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy.
Yeah, I just gotta get all my shit prepared. I gotta get this from under the jack, excuse me, from under the shovel head. The shovel head tire popped, so this thing is tough to get out sometimes. So here I am. I got the bike behind me. Here's the chain. It's actually not terribly loose, so that's good. But I got it up to where I can spin. There we go. Huh. I'll just call it good. It's a chopper.
It's a chopper, baby.
This chopper.
And here's all the stuff I'm going to use to clean it. Let's use carb cleaner. And then I got some WD-40 because they're both obviously almost out. Then I got the chain wax. And I think this is copper. I don't know, it's the only thing I got, so let's get to cleaning. Yeah, this thing is, my chain is super dirty. I never noticed. I'm just gonna do little sections at a time, see what happens. I don't take much. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Dang it. Seems to be working good.
Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise.
What are you doing, Ham? There he is. You helping out, buddy? Nope, you're out of here. Nice little WD-40 on your tire. No big deal. You don't care about that. Yep, don't need much. Look at that. Brand new. All right, I'll clean the outside here. Alright, I already cleaned this part, so it's looking pretty shiny. You can see right there, it starts to get dirty. Clean the outside, because you want everyone to think you're cool.
I feel like I've been stacking a lot of cool points as of late, so I'm gonna go cash those in. Good.
Doesn't take much. I said that 15 times already. You get your nice clean rag. Clean it up. Beautiful. And just keep hitting it. right, here it is. Looking really clean. Even the inside's looking good. All right, let's put some lube on it.
It's time for my lube job!
I'm done with this mission.
All right, maintenance on a chain. Keeping it simple today. That chain, I went 2,000 miles. Probably should clean it every 500. Basically a trip with your buddies. I used WD-40. You're supposed to use kerosene, brake cleaner. Mine ran out immediately. Like one link, sprayed it on there and it was gone. So WD-40 it was. But yeah, just clean the inside of your chain, get it going good. Whatever hits the sprockets is what you really want to clean. Pretty easy to clean a chain. Just keep up on it. Is the whole problem is like people just let it go for too long. I let it go for too long. I went on too many like dirty roads and things. That's what the real problem is. And around here it's wet all the time. The two things that probably cook your chain. So don't do that. Oh yeah, lube. There's a million videos out there. You could get lost in the weeds on what chain lube to use. I just go with whatever style of riding you do. Just try to find someone else who does it. Rob the Crazy Gentleman podcast, but Rob, I hit him up and he was talking about chain maintenance or whatever, and I asked him what chain lube he used. So I picked up whatever he told me. Spectro, I think it is. Yeah, Spectro chain lube. Goes on there, it's not supposed to fling. Yeah, thanks to that guy. Check him out, he's got a good podcast. He talks about FXRs and you know, everything under the sun. Kind of nice to not have just chopper stuff to listen to where you're at work. But anyways, make sure it's even. I just spray the hell out of it and let it set, and then I go and ride it and it just flings right off. So, you know, make sure you spin the wheels and then hold the rag in your hand and, you know, make sure it's evenly placed on the chain. That's my one thing that I would tell people. But yeah, there's a million videos out there. They'll tell you what gizmos and gadgets to use.
What happens if my gizmo busts?
Oils and lubes and whatever. Ask the people you trust more than just YouTube land. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a couple hours because I'm pretty anxious. So I'm gonna go ride that thing, see how it goes. It's still having a starting issue. I tried to fire up this morning and it made a crazy clunking sound. I don't know what's going on. Something's not lining up because it sounds like it's spinning out and then getting caught, or just spinning and then hitting the the clutch basket. Fuck, I don't know. It's pretty sketchy. I definitely at this point would not take it that far, with the starting issue, but maybe the battery's not that great. I didn't really charge it when I got it. I threw it on there. And I keep watching videos on batteries because I wanted to get the cool guy little battery. But everyone's got problems with them all the time because they never charge them right and all that, so kind of just over it. I'm gonna go for a rip. I'll put a little clips here and there. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, tell me what a numbskull I am, and how often you clean your chain and what you use. And yeah, like and subscribe, check out all the other videos. I got more coming. Peace. All right, let's see if this thing will start. What was that? Yeah, I don't know why it does that.